Hey there, adventurers! Today we're here for a soft opening of Rock and Roller Coaster starring Muppets here at Hollywood Studios. I am super excited because today we're going to try at least to get into the rides, see the pre-show, and see if it's worth the wait. So with that said, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. As of right now, it is currently 10:38 in the morning, and this morning I actually had to get myself the pass holder preview virtual queue, where luckily today I was able to get group 11. The bad news, however, is that as soon as I was able to get the virtual queue, it looks like we're still in a bit of a waiting period, because originally it said it was going to be for 10:04, then it was pushed back to ultimately 10:50, so we are waiting 15 more minutes, but sadly, it looks like they're having a bit of some technical difficulties this morning, so we'll see if we can actually get on today. The good news is that it does look like the wait time is getting shorter. It's now down to 10 minutes, so I am interested in seeing if we could possibly get in today. Also, just a little heads up, this is going to contain full spoilers for the attraction, from the queue, the pre-show, the ride itself, and if you don't want to see any spoilers, then I highly recommend skipping this video and coming back later if you did the ride by then, or if you don't care about it, then you can stay tuned. But for now, let's talk about where Rock and Roller Coaster is, since this is going to be located nearby Tower of Terror. And as we can see the main archway out front with the limo, and of course, the sign that says G-Force Records presents Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. Besides that, there's also the limo out front here, painted in this psychedelic colors, and even then on the back it says the Muppets too. And as we follow along the strings here, we can then see this psychedelic guitar, and oh my goodness, it is so cool to see up close. I really hope we can go on it, because if it's still closed by 12, unfortunately we won't be able to get on it today, sadly. Funnily enough, they still have the under construction press coins if you still want to get them. But now let's talk about what Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets is, since you are going to be entering into G-Force Records, where the new band Electric Mayhem has taken over. As you can see, all the posters for their new concert, and as you're about to meet them, well, they're actually late for their concert. So Electric Mayhem and Kermit Frog invites you to go to their concert. However, traffic's backed up and you have to board a limo, where you board it and have to race to make it to their concert just in time as VIP. Throughout the ride, you can see all sorts of celebrities throughout the queue and even the ending, along with all sorts of Muppets, and even hear 5 different songs anytime you ride, where like Guardians of the Galaxy, it is randomized. So for example, there is Song 2 with Electric Mayhem, Born to Be Wild with Electric Mayhem and Camille the Chicken, Love Roller Coaster with Electric Mayhem featuring Jennifer Hudson, Questlove, Rock Rock Till You Drop with Electric Mayhem featuring Death Leopard, and there's also Walking on Sunshine with Electric Mayhem featuring Kelly Clarkson. So I am pretty excited for that. There's tons of Easter eggs, there is tons of cameos, there's so much inside this ride, and again, I cannot wait to see what's inside, so hopefully the ride can open today. Alright, it has been an hour, and we actually decided to quickly check out Walt Disney Studios and also New Mandalorian Grogu update for Millennium Falcon, but that's a whole entire different video, because right now we actually have some good news, because we have our group finally called for Rock and Roller Coaster. I'm hoping it doesn't break down from now to when we get there, but let's hope for the best and see if we can get on it. And out front we can see the new Electric Mayhem poster along with the psychedelic guitar with Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. And on the bottom there is even a gold key. How cool is this? So exciting. Now there's still standby, Lightning Lane, and single rider for this whole experience. And out front there's all sorts of posters here. I didn't see anything, by the way, for the ride, and it's so exciting to see all this. However, in my opinion, if you're doing either single rider or standby, just do standby, because when I did Aerosmith, it wasn't that good. So besides that, it's so exciting to see all the posters, and we're now entering into here. Not gonna lie, it's so surreal to just be back here in Rock and Roller Coaster just literally almost 3 months after the original ride closed. So it's crazy how fast things were turned around.
Can you make an excuse for me?
Now at the end, there's all sorts of props, especially with polka dot dress worn by Miss Piggy, replica of Kermit's banjo. There's all sorts of musical instruments from Electric Mayhem. Also, an unfortunate part is now, unfortunately, there's no more bead door here, so RIP that. On all sorts of drumsticks too, where we can even see the history where Electric Mayhem, since launching onto the scene with the Muppet Show in 1976, they are the unique brand of feel-good tunes and psychedelic grooves that has garnered widespread recognition and claim. The Mayhem remain a global music phenomenon, rocking audiences around the world on stage, screen, and now right here at G-Force Records. Also, there's this where it says instruments on loan from Electric Mayhem, but Floyd wants his bass back. Even there's all sorts of other artifacts like piano accessories, priceless item. There's all sorts of pictures throughout the area. As we're entering inside the pre-show, we'll try my best to get every single picture, but sadly, I don't know if it's that possible.
Welcome to G-Force Records. Please stand behind that yellow line. In just a few moments, the doors to the studio will be open. Due to the low light levels, please watch your step as you enter. Move in, fill in all the available space. And as of courtesy, no flash photography, please. We hope that you enjoy your tour here at G-Force Records, where we turn the music industry upside down.
Right this way for us, right this way, head all the way down. Welcome to the studio. Please keep moving all the way in and across the room. The band is easily distracted, so please no flash photography or video lighting, and please do not sit or stand on the handrails.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob. Scooter? What's happening? Rock!
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Chef?
It's pretty good to rock in the room. Pretty good to rock in the room.
Rock and roll.
I don't know how much longer
longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
How we feel about our band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Dude, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please keep moving all the way through the alleyways to the Muppet Labs, Automotive Labs. We want to give you a piece of
Backstage passes. All right, VIPs, head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show. See you later. Have fun. Rock on.
all the way up for us, all the way to that ramp for us.
Also love how they have the new comedy club here, along with all sorts of effects from Muppet Vision 3D. Really cool overall. Even then, there's also great gonzo weird stuff around here, especially with the cannon and all sorts of posters here. But now we are heading into the load station. Also love how they have the sign from X of Muppet Vision 3D where they have top secret. There's also loose articles warning where I think by now we're going to head and swap cameras to get on the ride and hopefully get front row.
Kind of Heisman sign football, like any.
Que se cierre un clic, mantenga la cabeza reposada y permanezca sentado con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la limusina. Coloque sus artículos.
I believe I've got the best up for the concert. Let's patch our guests into the concert audio.
We're gonna make this next Groovalaciously Groovy 2 double the fun. My heavenly Miss Hudson, shall we begin?
Questlove, you ready?
Let's rock!
Animal, how about you?
Rock and roll with Questlove! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
end, there is the Electric Mayhem concert on the screen, and there's also tons of props for them. And at the end, and on top, there is Muppet Jim Henson on the top. I love that. It's such a fun ride. But now we're gonna head on out of here. Though merchandise store, though the shop seems to be closed, so we're gonna make our way out. And at the end, we can see all the posters for Electric Mayhem, where we can see Electric Mayhem all on these posters for Rock Around the Shop. There's many of the members such as Janice, Animal, and as of right now, we're just gonna go ahead and walk all the way down here. But oh my goodness, that was a fun ride. Love the ride. Now outside there is Food by Swedish Chef, where they have all sorts of new food items such as mini corn dogs, chips, churro drumstick. There's also Waka Waka nachos, frozen treats like the soft serve float. There's also waffle cones, alcoholic beverages, pink lemonade, and pond water limeade, along with some Coke products and water. If you couldn't tell, my hair is a mess, but oh my goodness, Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets is so much fun. That ride is intense while at the same time being charming and fun, where the ride is just amazing. A great overhaul that I'm just impressed by. Lots of Easter eggs for Muppet fans. It still keeps a thrill from the original Rock and Roller Coaster. The pre-show is amazing, especially that scooter animatronic. Even though I'm gonna be honest, it is a bit chaotic throughout the queue because there's so much to see that I don't know a first visit or even my video does justice. But even on the ride, it's a great roller coaster. I love how it's sort of like a parody of the original ride, while at the same time being as thrilling and intense as the original. So much happens on this ride that I feel like it is definitely worth going on again and again, especially with all of the different songs too. In short though, Rock and Roller Coaster is an amazing addition here at Hollywood Studios. A bit of a downgrade from Muppet Vision 3D since that was for everyone, but in turn is a major upgrade from the original Aerosmith version, because now the ride is both timeless, fun, funny, and also keeps the thrills and intensity of the original ride that I just love. And even then, is a bit smoother, weirdly enough. And now that's going to be a wrap on our adventure here at Hollywood Studios. It was a blast going on Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. Loved the ride. I was very surprised by how good it was, because originally I thought it was going to be okay like Aerosmith, but now I loved it. It was so cool to go on it. And for all the other stuff that I did today, that'll be its own video in the future. But let me know in the comments down below. Are you excited to go on Rock and Roller Coaster? If so, I'd love to hear it. As always, till next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.